Listing a token on Uniswap involves deploying a smart contract to the Ethereum network and configuring it to be traded on the decentralized exchange. Here's how you can list a token on Uniswap. Create a token. Use a smart contract to create your token. Most commonly, a standard like the ERC20 token standard is used. You will need to deploy this contract on the Ethereum blockchain using tools like Remix or third-party services such as OpenZeppelin or Alchemy. Deploy smart contract. Deploy the smart contract to the Ethereum network. Ensure the contract includes functions for minting, transferring tokens, and updating details if needed. Generate ABI and token address. Once your smart contract is deployed, generate the ABI and know the token contract address. Prepare token details for Uniswap. Ensure you have the following information: token name, token symbol, token decimals, contract address, liquidity pool details. Add token to Uniswap. Visit Uniswap and connect your wallet. Navigate to the pools or add liquidity section. Enter your token's contract address and pair it with another existing token. Provide liquidity to create the trading pool. Monitor and manage. After listing, monitor trading volume, fees, and manage liquidity through Uniswap.